Yes, I heard you. All right, we're gonna start, guys. So welcome everybody. Anne-Marie, good to see you. Shelly, and good to see you finally get on.
Yeah.
Kennis has been here having difficulties, but she's here. So let's go ahead. So that's so we're gonna start by going through this activity that you would have done or should have done over the past week. Anne-Marie, I got Anne-Marie's, I got Trudian's, didn't see any from Shelly. I'm not sure if that's the one you said you upload. No, that's the one you said you didn't upload. So let's quickly go through. Okay. So the first, remember that synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. So when we look for a synonym for a particular word that we're given, we're looking for the word that is closest in meaning to it. Somebody needs to mute their background. Shelly?
It's mine?
I'm not sure, but two are mute already, so I know two are out. Okay. Okay. All right, so we start with incessant, and incessant means what? Oh, you're mute, so you can't talk. Or if you want to respond, please unmute and respond, right? So incessant is the first one. And incessant means what? Continuous without a break or without interruption, right? That's incessant. And so the synonym for that word would be what? Continuous. Then we have oblivious. And the synonym for that would be forgetful. Initiated. Introduced. Shelly, you're saying something?
Yeah. No, don't worry.
Is Shelly saying something?
No, don't worry, don't worry.
Oh, it's me that you're talking to. Okay. We have unbiased. The next one is unbiased. And unbiased would be impartial. Hostile would be unfriendly. Diverse. Some people got this one wrong. Diverse actually means various or different, not multiple. All right?
We waiting for number 3.
Guys, just a heads up, the meeting will end in 10 minutes. So when you are logged out, please just relog in with your with the same password you're given. What did you say, Shelly? Number 3 is introduced. Unbiased, okay. Impartial, hostile, unfriendly, diverse, differing, prevalent, widespread, aggravated, worsened, illicit. Illicit actually means to draw out information, to pull information, to get information from somebody. So that is obtain. Persistent. Now some people had determined as their answer. However, in this context, determined cannot work. If you are resolute and you decide that you are going to continue on and press on despite the obstacles, then you would be considered determined. But if you are considering persistent in this context, you'd have to look at a word like constant instead of determined, right?
Oh, so it's constant then?
Yes, ma'am. No, I have a question. Profusely is a word that actually means a lot. It means much. It means many. It means excessive. So, I saw where somebody used wildly as the synonym for profusely, but I don't see how that would work in the context because I don't see anybody apologizing widely. But I don't blame you because then we have 3 other words that really about the meanings of each word in order to find the word that is closest. So we have openly, sincerely, and fully. And I'm leaning more towards sincerely than any other. Definitely not widely. Definitely not fully. Not openly. Sincerely. Candor. Candor is a word that means honest and frank. The option there would be B, frankness, and ingenuity would be skill. Just a reminder, sometimes we have to look at the meanings for each word because sometimes just to identify which word is closest in meaning, just a little difference in the meanings that would cause you to arrive at that. So we need to pay attention to what the words mean. All right? So that was that assignment. The next assignment was a descriptive, I won't say essay necessarily. You could have had 1 paragraph, you could have had 2. I really didn't give you a limit. And I think that was a blunder on my part. I should have given you a limit. I should have told you how much I wanted. I've seen only 1 though. I've seen Anne-Marie's description. Anne-Marie, would you mind sharing your description with us so we can look at it? I've seen it, but we can discuss it as a class if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind. Where is it?
You typed it in Word, right?
Yeah.
Mr. Bernard, Mr. Bernard? Wonderful. Yes, never too far away. Please instruct Anne-Marie on how to share her Microsoft Word document.
All right, for her to share it, you would have to stop the sharing.
Oh, I have to stop sharing my thing?
Yeah, so she can do the sharing now.
Okay. All right, so I start.
Anne-Marie, click on share and select what you want to share. All right, so she's sharing now.
How is it sharing?
Yeah, man, may I see it, man. May I see it? Go ahead.
You haven't opened it yet. Open it.
Wait, open it yet. Open it now.
It's open.
Bus driver description and show it open.
I'm looking at it open right here.
You know, we don't see it open. Oh, you have to click on share and share the open one. That's why. Share the other window. So click on share and share the one that is open. That's why we're not seeing it. You hear?
Yeah, but
No, man, stop the sharing for that one. Stop the sharing now and then start the share and then open. Then click on the page the page that is open.
stop the sharing where?
Yeah, you have to stop the sharing. Stop that sharing and then click on share again, and then share the page.
In the meantime, Trudy, do you have yours?
Let me call her.
Trudy.
Where Trudy gone?
She's still there. She's just mute, so I can't hear if she's speaking.
All right, let's start the share again now, Anne-Marie.
And Shelly, do you have yours?
Is the document open, Anne-Marie?
Yes,
So you're going to click on share and look for the document that is open and then share it.
But the thing is, I don't see the
You see the document open, right?
yeah, but I don't see the share button.
No man, that's no man.
Share
Yeah. Put the cursor back on the thing.
share screen like that.
Yeah, that's it. Wonderful.
Wonderful, Anne-Marie.
Hello, we're blind, you know. So better zoom that in. Hello, select the thing unless if you zoom it.
What is that, sir?
I'm telling you to zoom it because we can't see, we're blind.
Like that?
Yeah. Alright, that's better. Yeah, but yeah. So all I have to do is just scroll on. That's all I have to do. Just scroll on. Put that 16. Put that 16. Yeah, that's better now. Yeah.
Okay, good. So let's look at Anne-Marie's description. So she chose to describe the bus driver. What was I expecting? What was I looking for while reading her description? I needed to see the bus driver. Because remember, descriptive writing is you painting a picture in words. So you are to be using very precise details or giving very precise, very specific details in order for me to visualize who you're talking about. Also, I needed to have seen description of appearance as well as description of personality. All right, so let's go. Yesterday, while I was at the bus stop, I saw a strange looking man sitting around the steering wheel of a parked minibus. He was all dressed up in a clean suit and matching tie, and gave the impression was an executive. But his height was no more than 3 feet, so short, I wondered if he could reach those bus pedals. He was one of the little people driving the bus I thought